Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
后
the symbol of back and sequence. Let's learn.
Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
后
6 strokes to define back.
撇撇横竖横折横后
Means back or behind, or after. It indicates direction, time, or hierarchy. Use it in words like
后面
behind back or
以后
after later. Now that you know how to write,
后
let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Section 2. Common words and phrases.
Common words and phrases.
后来
Afterwards or later.
然后
Then or after that.
Section 3. Example sentences.
Example sentences.
他后来成了医生
He later became a doctor.
请坐在我后面
Please sit behind me.
Section 4. Fun fact.
Did you know?
后
Originally meant ruler or queen in ancient China. Over time, it evolved to mean behind or after.
Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 后面 mean in English? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.